Walking down Main Street in Deep Ellum, you might notice this sign. Free Mohawks, and wonder, is that true? It is.
Why do I want a mohawk? Because it's a symbol of modern day coolness.
In this particular area, I think we're fairly popular.
So why are the artists here at Bladecraft Barber Academy slicing up the funky do for free 99?
To be able to help out people who just want a free haircut.
Also because practice makes perfect, and these are students. Oh, and
People tend to, have their own unique style like he does.
because Deep Ellum is, well, Deep Ellum.
There's definitely like an artistic expression from musicians who are down here, artists who are down here, and the mohawk's like a classic for that style, of the artist or the musician type. And I guess me being a musician, it'll fit very well.
Yep, he's one faux hawking happy customer. It's people like him keeping Deep Ellum OG. Maybe it's a sign. You should get a fresh cut too.